So now let's see how we can work around with smoke simulation inside of Blender. So to do that, I'm going to select this cube and then I'm going to go to edit and menu search, and then over here I'm just going to type in quick, and there you go, there's quick smoke right here. So the smoke simulation is there and you got its property right here, as you can see right here. So if I were to press the play button right here, there you go, there's the smoke simulation. So in order to make the smoke simulation a bit different, I'm going to select this shape and then I'm going to resize this out right here. So there's more area for the smoke to actually work out. And from the beginning, you can see that if I were to press play, you can see that that is how it works. But you can see that the a box has increased as well. The smoke has kind of like stretched out instead of readjusting everything. So I'm going to select this and then I'm going to go around over here. And then I'm going to bake the data right here from the physics menu. So here I'm in the physics properties. So I'm going to go around into, let's say, for example, my cache, and then choose is resumable, select modular, and then select unique cache right here. So once I do that, I have an option to bake the data. So you can go around and change the numbers if you want to, but I'm just going to keep it as it is. I'm going to choose bake the data right here. So once I do that, what happens is that everything is baked out. And once I press the play button, you can see that it now takes this area, and then there you go. There's the new simulation of the smoke right here. You can also go around and then change the size. So I'm just going to go around and then change the size of the box right here. Go around onto the beginning, select this around, and then I'm going to go around, let's say, for example, onto the physics menu right here. So let's just go around into the menu. So I'm going to go around into, let's say, the physics properties, and then over here on the settings. So let's just go over here and then select this out. Yes, I'm just going to select this out and I'm going to rebake the data right here. So let's just go around on to the top on the setting right here. This is what you have, is resumable and so forth. And there you go. I'm going to free the data first and then I'm going to bake the data again. So once I do that, what happens is that there you go, the smoke is recalculated and everything else, as you can see right there. And that is how you can do smoke simulation inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.